My car's too quiet though. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to Protective Film Solutions. Thank you for watching, for subscribing. Today we've got a big day planned. Logan has his 70 mile Saturday event. So as you can see behind me, we've got a lot of supercars starting to pile up. We've got an update on Project R8 back there, which you guys are going to see in a couple minutes. All of the aero is done from the last video, so we're excited to show you the car. It's completely different looking, so I am stoked to be driving the car now. So today I'm going to be driving the R8 project. Daniel's going to be filming from a few cars. He'll be in an SV, hopping in and out, so you guys will get a perspective of a bunch of different cool exotics. So again, thank you guys for watching, and let's go outside and take a look at some epic supercars.
What's up, guys? We're here. We're on our rally right now. Undisclosed location. Somewhere in the middle of Orange County. Wait, we're not even in Orange County right now. We've got a really solid lineup though. Look at this guy.
This is nuts.
Yeah, this is wild.
Go look and see how many cars are out there.
was that?
Good. It's fun. My car's too quiet though. It was great, but the car's too quiet, especially driving around all these guys. It literally felt like I was driving a Prius. Well, that was a lot of fun. So thank you for Logan and 70 Mile Saturday for putting this together. The art was a blast, but it's a little too quiet. So stay tuned, guys, because in the next video, this car is going in for a new exhaust system, and I think you guys know what we're doing. So again, thank you guys for watching, and hit subscribe below for the next video. Peace.